Hi, welcome to the Free Stop channel. For this video, I will show you the 3 best places to visit in Kyoto, and you can visit all 3 in one day. Before we start, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more budget travel tips and ideas. Our first stop is the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. The bamboo grove is located in the northern part of Kyoto. For my trip, I booked my hostel in Osaka, so I first had to take the Osaka Kensai train to Kyoto Station. Then from Kyoto Station, take the JR Sagano line to Arashiyama Station, then ride a bus going to the Bamboo Grove. There are 2 routes to get to the Bamboo Grove. I chose the more scenic route going up the mountain. Fair warning, this is quite a long hike, so bring a water bottle with you to keep yourself hydrated. I also went during autumn, so the mountain was very colorful with red, brown, and yellow leaves on the ground and on the trees. You will also pass by this river with a few boats ferrying passengers to different spots around the mountain. If you are a budget traveler, this is a great deal for you because you do not have to pay an entrance fee to walk through the grove. Entrance is free. Once you reach the grove itself, it is a really impressive sight. The grove is said to stretch for as long as 500 meters, but the walking trail is only about 300 meters. When I was doing research for my trip, I read somewhere that this is one of the most photographed places in Kyoto and even the world. I can see why. The place is very calming, especially if there are few people around. I was there a little early since it was my first stop for the day and very few tourists around. You can hear the soft sound of the bamboo trees swaying with the wind, so I was also able to take this selfie with no one in the background. After leaving the bamboo grove, you can also take a walk around and visit other sites like the Nonomiya Shrine and the Tenryuji Temple, which is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of Kyoto's 5 major temples. Next is the Fushimi Inari Shrine. If you are coming from the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove, you have to go back to the Arashiyama Station, then go again to Kyoto Station. In Kyoto Station, change to Nara Line, then take the train to Inari Station. Fushimi Inari Shrine is right outside Inari Station, and you can already see the giant torii gate as you exit the station. Fushimi Inari Shrine was established in the year 711 and is one of the oldest shrines in Japan. It is also one of the most important Shinto shrines in Kyoto, as well as another iconic Kyoto landmark for tourists because of its impressive orange gates. It is standing at the foot of Mount Inari and was dedicated to the Japanese god of rice, prosperity, and patron of business merchants. On the main grounds is the temple where people can go to worship and make offerings. If you go up the mountain, you will pass by thousands of torii gates, which is a popular photo-taking spot for tourists. It has made Fushimi Inari Shrine a favorite tourist spot and this photo an iconic shot of Kyoto. Last and probably my favorite is the Kinkaku-ji Temple or the Golden Pavilion. I guess this picture alone will tell you why, and it doesn't even do it justice because the pavilion is much more mesmerizing in person. It's practically sparkling, especially when I went to see it when it was close to sunset. It is said that the top 2 floors are completely covered in gold leaf. Unfortunately for budget travelers, there's an entrance fee of 400 yen, but for me it was worth it because the view is quite unique. Kinkakuji is a Zen temple located in northern Kyoto, and is accessible via train and bus if you are coming from Fushimi Inari Shrine. Take the train back to Kyoto Station, then transfer to Sagano Line going to Enmaka Station. From Enmaka Station, take bus number 204 or 205 and get off at Kinkakuji Michi bus stop. It's about 6 bus stops from the station. Kinkaku-ji Temple is about 2 minutes walk away from the bus station. It is quite easy to spot because it is one of the most popular buildings in Kyoto and was declared as a National Special Historic Site and a National Special Landscape. It is also one of 17 locations making up the historic monuments of ancient Kyoto which are World Heritage Sites. So there you have it. Those are my top 3 Kyoto tourist spots and they can all be visited within one day trip. Thank you for watching, and if you liked this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. You can also check out my other travel videos for more budget travel tips. Enjoy!